Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath571.
FamilyMath571. So I saw a really cool problem from James 10 today. So you take a random positive integer and we can factor it into primes. So it's going to be 2 to the
something.
m1 some power 2, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Times some power 3 times some power of 5. Okay, so whatever that number is, some random positive integer.
Okay.
And so he said, if I pick an integer at random, what is the average power of 2 that's going to divide it? Okay, so this is a tricky question to understand even for kids. So I just want to make sure before we start diving into it, do you understand? Or can you tell me some basic things about what we're going to find as we explore this problem?
Well, I think that the answer is not going to be very large.
Okay, good
Because
observation.
half of the numbers have no 2's.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
That seems strange. In fact, that seems a little
Odd.
odd. Why is that?
Well, because half of the numbers are odd numbers.
Oh, half of the numbers are odd numbers. Okay.
And the other half are even numbers.
All right, so the first observation is a good one. Half of the numbers have no 0 2's.
So there's a half chance that you won't even get 2, so it'll just be 2 to the 0.
Yeah, so half the time we don't get any 2's at all. Okay, so that's a very good observation. Okay.
Well, and the other half of the time we'll get at least 1, 2.
Okay, the other time we'll get at least 1 2. Okay.
Well, but then,
So you have to take.
Hold on a second. Let your brother give an observation, and then maybe we'll move on to the next video.
Well, wouldn't there be half of those numbers have 1, 2?
Oh, half of which numbers have 1 2?
Half of the even numbers only have 1.
Okay, why do you say that?
Well, because those are the ones that aren't multiples of 4,
Oh.
so they're only going to have 1.
Ah, okay. So it looks like half of the remaining half of half have 1 2.
So, and then half of that will have 2 2's because those are the ones that aren't powers of 8.
Oh,
So it
interesting.
might turn into like a geometric series.
It might turn into a geometric
Half
series.
plus a 4.
Very nice work, guys. Well, why don't we dive in and see what we can see?
alright.
Okay.